two come up first.
It's just me too? Yeah, you go with me.
Yeah, we just.
Go!
Movie.
Look at this.
Movie.
Movie.
It's now?
No.
I don't know. No, pero que está grabando.
It's wrong.
Come on then.
Oh my god. For 1 minute I don't die.
Come here. Come here.
You pause?
Sigue grabando.
Ah, it's there.
¿Qué pasó? What's wrong?
Mine.
Oh my god.
Make a movie.
Okay.
Perfect. Back up.
Mira, ellos van a hacer bungee jumping.
Wanna die, Mariana? Oh my god. Mariana wanna die.
I don't want to come back to Brazil.
Yeah, Mariana never more back to Brazil.
No more Brazil.
No more Brazil.
Okay. Back up.
Are you good? Everything is...
No!
We'll have a look when we get up there. Oh no.
No!
Alright.
Oh my god, deja que te Mary. Atrás tem que muchacho.
I'm... Com o cucu na mão.
100%.
You know what is this? Cucu na mão. Are you sure that this is security? Because look this, I can't go. Wait, Mariana. I did, oh my god. I have attacked her.
Heart attack.
After the jump. Before.
Spin around and face the building here.
Oh, it's so good.
Okay. So what I want you to do.
I will eat my fingers.
Go this way.
No! Ih, não sei, não lembrou, tia.
Keep your legs out the back, so your legs out this way.
Levanta a perna. Levanta a perna.
And the
A
other
duas.
one.
What are you doing, my life?
Okay. Hold the rail for me. Hold on to it. Hold on.
Bien, can you just watch me?
Porque estás al agua, ¿Mm? Estás al agua,
You got the rail as well. And keep your legs out the back.
Vai, vamos. Meninas, foi muito bom conhecê-las. Everybody.
Don't worry, you're going to come back.
Rita.
You're going to be alive.
Wow, thank you. Brazil. And now.
I don't know
Like, what's wrong?
what happened.
I don't know if this is true.
It is all okay.
If I die, I beg you with the knife for food, okay?
Yeah, no worries at all.
All night.
All night.
Yeah.
Cool, I look forward to that.
Oh my god. Are you sure?
Very, very, very sure.
¿Eso para qué? Es para que la sostenga. Ay, no. No. Bye, girls. Good luck.
See you in the next life.
See you soon.
See you in the next. Maybe no.
See you soon in the next life.
Maybe no. In the sky or no. I don't next know. Life maybe.
How do I say oh no?
Oh, no.
Oh no in Brazil.
Oh, no. Oh, no.
Oh no.
Oh, no. Oh, no.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh no.
You are so funny.
Thank you. I told my mum I was going to be a comedian and she laughed at me.
Who had to put
This is a bomb.
Wow.
This way, guys. And we're going to get a photo, okay? So see the cameraman in there? Little smooth in the camera. Smile for the cameraman.
Yeah.
Smile.
They are so beautiful. You have to take a lot of pictures.
Okay. Okay. So, what we are going to do, I'm going to hoist you up to the top. When you get all the way up the top, we'll swing a rock a little bit from side to side. We'll let that settle down. See this red light? This will go green. It'll go off, and the green one will come on. And then one of you are going to pull this cord. This is a quick release cord, and we've got to pull this to start the whole swing process. Yeah, who would like to pull the cord? You want to pull the cord? You'll pull the cord.